welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Man and Beyond with Essie. Here are some business ideas you can start with under 1 million Ugandan shillings. Number one, fast food business. That's chips, chicken, samosa, Rolex. So you can do a takeaway, a mini restaurant, or you can even cook from your home. Selling fast foods like chips, samosas and Rolex is highly profitable. You can start up a small stand in a busy area and grow your customer base. You can as well start those takeaway with senior supermarkets or in busy places and make some good money. So like 500 up to 1 million capital is enough to start that. You just buy the necessary things needed, like if you're going to use gas, if you're going to use charcoal stove or anything you need utensils, you need like deep fryers and so many others you may need. It depends what you're going to be making. Number two, salon, stock barber shop. You can even call it a unisex salon. A basic salon setup can include chairs, mirrors, and some tools. This service is always in demand, especially in urban centers. Number three, have a small grocery store. Startup can be around 600 to 1 million. A small retail grocery store selling essentials like sugar, soap, rice, and basic household goods can be profitable. You can also expand to include perishable items. Number four, have laundry services. Startup capital can be around 300 to 800, depends. You can offer laundry services for clothes, bed sheets, and curtains. You can start by hand washing or invest in a small washing machine if you can afford one. Number five, have photography and videography. Startup costs can be around 600 to 1 million. If you have a passion for photography, investing in a second-hand camera and offering services for events, weddings, and parties can be a good business. Birthday parties, photo shoots, like so many people needs, like you can start small and grow. Number six, you have a boutique. This 1 million can even do new clothes, can do second hand, can buy a bell, or you can do new clothes any you want. You can start small. You can start a small boutique selling second hand or new clothes, setting up in a business area, in a busy area, or near schools can help you attract more customers. Number seven, you have motorcycle spare parts shop. Startup capital can be around 800 to 1 million. With a large number of border in Uganda, selling motorcycle spare parts can be a lucrative business. Stock basic parts like tires, lubricants, and small accessories. Number eight, have juice and snacks kiosk. Startup capital can be around 500 up to 1 million. A small kiosk selling fresh juice, snacks, and quick bites like samosas and chapati in a busy location can attract steady customers. Number nine, small-scale poultry farming, broilers or layers. You can start a poultry farm with broilers or layers. With good care and marketing, you can sell eggs or chicken meat to local markets, restaurants, those chicken stands out there on the streets, and to individuals. And you make some good money. And remember, for broilers, they only take 1 month to grow. Though layers take some good time to start laying eggs, but both can do for you. Just start small with a little number as you go on increasing. Number 10, event planning and decorations. Startup cost can be around 500 to 1 million. If you are creative and have an eye for details, can offer event planning and decoration services for weddings, birthdays, or cooperative events. You can start small and be renting equipment as needed As time goes on, you can be buying your own equipment, but in the beginning, you can be renting some of these things. We have cosmetics shop. Startup cost can be around 600 to 1 million. Selling beauty products such as lotions, perfumes, hair products, wigs, and so many others. A good business opportunity. You can start a small cosmetics shop and target customers in your area. Number 12, we have a phone and accessories shop. Phones and accessories shop. Startup costs can be around 700 to 1 million. You can open a shop selling phones and accessories like chargers, earphones, phone covers, and memory cards. This is a business with high turnover in busy areas. Number 13, printing and stationery shop. Startup costs around 600 to 1 million. Offering printing, photocopying, scanning, and selling stationery like books, pens, and office supplies. If located near schools and offices, this can be very profitable. Number 14, we have tailoring and fashion design. Startup cost can be around 500 to 1 million. If you have sewing skills, you can start a tailoring business, designing and making clothes for people. With a good machine and a small shop, this business can expand very quickly and can make you some good money. Number 15, small-scale fish farming. Startup costs can be around 800 to 1 million. Fish farming is becoming popular in Uganda. You can dig a small pond or buy fish tanks to raise fish like tilapia and catfish, selling them to local markets and restaurants. Number 16, you have agricultural produce buying and selling. Startup costs can be around 600 to 1 million. Buy agricultural products like maize, beans, groundnuts, rice, and so many others from rural areas and sell them in urban areas or markets. You can start small by focusing on one product and expand later. It is very profitable. You buy in bulk and sell. Can either sell in wholesale or sell in retail. Number 17, we have car wash business. Startup cost can be around 700 to 1 million. You can start a small car wash in a busy area with a right location and good service. You can make steady profits from washing cars, motorcycles, and other vehicles. Number 18, you have a small bakery, which is cakes, breads, donuts, and so many others. Startup cost can be around 700 to 1 million. A small bakery making cakes, bread, and pastries can be a great business idea. You can supply to local shops, restaurants, also direct to customers. These days, birthdays are many, weddings are many, so you can be making cakes and sell them and make some good money. Each of these businesses can start small and grow over time with reinvestment and good management. Be sure to research your local market and plan carefully before launching. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Share your other business ideas in case you have some which are below 1 million. You can share them in the comment section. In case of anything you want to know more about these businesses, you can as well ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.